Let me show you how to get these results, but on your hair. Yes, it's possible. Take the Lust Brands all-in-one. I use the Wavy formula and apply it to extremely wet, saturated hair, and you can use a brush to evenly distribute it. Now, it's here that a lot of people get tripped up. If you end up with kind of a stringy or piecey finish, put some water in a bowl, cup it, and gently use this to re-clump your hair without losing all of the product that you just added. Remember that typically if your hair is stringy and frizzy while wet, it will be dry as well. You'll now see 3 techniques. Praying hands, where I smooth the frizz, then raking, where I separate them into individual clumps, and scrunching to revive any curl pattern that has been straightened. Now I use a t-shirt or a t-shirt towel to squeeze out really gently some of that excess water. If you're using the Irish Sea Moss gel for longer lasting results, you can either apply it originally when we applied the other product, or you can apply it here, glazing it gently over the curls. To dry, yes, diffusing does make a difference. Lust Brands is perfect for beginners because they keep it simple with just a few great products.